Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and keep supporting. So today I will be showing how to draw mango in very easy steps and color with affordable color pencils. So start drawing the slanting oval shape and give an inward curve at the bottom to give the mango-like appearance. Soon after you finish drawing the tip of the mango, slightly proceed by drawing the leaf, which would be thin and long as shown. So as I said in the beginning, I would like to use the basic 12 color set color pencils for further shading. So for this I am considering the basic yellow color, orange, red, light green, dark green, brown as well as black. Now consider you are coloring a ripened mango and color half of the lower part of the mango with yellow and keep the shading as light as it could be, since it is the base shading. Now let's start shading by using orange color for the slightly upper part. Now start blending the orange color with the lower yellow part so that it gives the natural blending appearance. Now start shading with red color on top of the orange color. On the same lines how we blended the orange with yellow, now start blending the top red color with the middle orange color. Now I will start shading the rest of the mango with orange and yellow color with their respective darker intensity of shading. Start shading the leaf with the lighter green color with the lighter shade. Start shading the leaf with dark green and leave the white spaces to give the leaf vein appearance. I am slightly shading with the black colored color pencil to give the shadow appearance of the leaf on the mango. Now comes the most important part, highlighting. For this, I used white gel pen to give the shine-like appearance on mango. By using paper stump, you can give the shadow effect of the mango. So this is the final results. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.